Bonfire Adventures, we are tour and travel company based in Kenya with partners across the world.
Okay.
From Alaska to Cape Town, si upeleka watu. Yes, anywhere in this world. If you want to go to Kathmandu in Nepal, if you want to go to Malaysia, Singapore, if you want to go to Dubai, we take people. And what we do, we negotiate very good rates because of our numbers. We have very big numbers outbound and even huku Kenya. Ukienda Mombasa uangalie hoteli za Mombasa, za Masai Mara, za Samburu, za wherever. Bonfire is the number one supplier wa hizo hotel. So we are able to negotiate a very good rate and a good. Watu wanatulizanga kwani nyinyi humake nini? Kama mnatuzia Mombasa siku 3 na SGR shilingi 12,000 kukula, accommodation, SGR, transfer, kwani mnapatanga nini? But what happens is that because of the numbers, we are able to because of the, you know, that numbers, unakuta hata mandege, unakuta tunapeleka watu Dubai kutoka Kenya na shilingi 55,000, including flights, accommodation, transfers, Dubai city tour, desert safari, dinner cruise, all that, 55,000, including huku Mombasa, Masai Mara, siku 3 kupeleka watu, na from 12,000 shillings. Unaenda siku 3 unachukuliwa na gari, unaenda mpaka, all that we are able to do, ili we are humbled that we changed the travel and tourism industry in Kenya. And hiyo itakuwa kwa vitabu zote. Siku hizi na social ati Bonfire model inasomwa mpaka in colleges za tourism.
Wow.
Imagine how humbled can you be when unasikia ati model ulileta inasomwa mpaka kwa vitabu. You know, that is very good. And that's why I say it is God's work. And I thank all Kenyans. I personally thank all of you for the support you have given us.
Today hata mtoto ukimuuliza unajua kampuni gani ya tours and travel, definitely atasema Bonfire.
Yes. Even the research have been done.
So when you talk about traveling, you talk about Bonfire.
And we are humbled by that. Yes, there's a lot of things that we do. We are special from any other person because most of the time what we do, before client wetu waende pahali, and that's when we travel a lot. Mimi na Sarah, maybe either na watoto, we travel your place ili to sample on behalf of a client. Nikiwaambia na kupeleka place in Malaysia, Singapore, in a certain hotel called Movenpick. Hiyo hoteli nishaenda. If I tell you I'm taking you to Dubai, kama juzi tumekuwa Dubai, we were sampling the new excursions na new attractions zile zimejengwa wakati wa COVID, after COVID.
Okay.
Yes, kama Dubai Frame, the Museum of the Future, hizo zote tunaenda to sample ili tupeleke wageni wetu wale washakuwa Dubai mara ya kwanza na ya pili na ya tatu, tuambie you can do A, B and C. That's why Bonfire is different from any other person.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe tukimalizia, najua every holiday lazima mkuwe na packages. I know kuna Easter.
Yes.
Do you have a sweet package for Easter? Kwa sababu najua hapa kuna couples, kuna nini, kuna families wangetaka ku.
Yes, we have many packages. We have charters. We don't charters because you see, saa ingine unakutanga over those festive season kuna watu wengi kuliko kiasi. So what unakuta ndege hakuna. Kama sasa sisi tuko na ndege zetu. Client ni wa Bonfire peke yake atakuwa kwa hizo charters. Some are going to Dubai, others zinaenda Mombasa, ingine Malindi, ingine Watamu.
Kama sasa Malindi kupata ndege mtu anasumbuka.
Yes, hata hakuna. So unakuta wewe hapo to negotiate good rates na that's why our packages at the Easter zinakuwa even cheaper than any other time and any other person. So Easter, the school holiday, unajua watoto wamefunga for 2 months.
Yes.
We have great offers. Yes, kitu tunaitanga bless toto. Bless mtoto wako. What else can you do except kumpeleka holiday kuena memories? Yes.
Oh, that's good. So if someone wants to book at office ziko wapi, number?
Tuko na ofisi mingi. We have over 9 offices across Kenya. But I can give you our pilot line. Okay. It's very easy to remember. It's 0711 222 444. 0711 222 444. You just need to send a WhatsApp.
All right.
0711 222 444. That is the number.